Carbon monoxide, it's known as the silent killer, and it is nothing to play with. CO poisoning can happen from a couple of different things that people would potentially have in their home. Carbon monoxide is produced by gas-fired dryers. Dryer vent fires are the #2 cause of fires in the home in the United States. So if you have a gas dryer or an electric dryer, they should be serviced on an annual basis as per the National Fire Protection Association's recommendations and the Chimney Safety Institute of America. Things we're looking for besides cleaning out the vent is making sure that not having a blockage will not give you a carbon monoxide poisoning situation. Because carbon monoxide is odorless, tasteless, and colorless, you don't know the effects are happening to you. Primarily, these are caused during the heating season, and when you're using a gas or an oil furnace, if you have a carbon monoxide leak, the symptoms are very much like flu-like symptoms, where you get nauseous, you get lightheaded, you get sleepy. You'll think that you have the flu because maybe this is happening in January or February, and you'll go lay down. And unfortunately, a lot of times you won't wake up. And it doesn't take a long time for the saturation point to overtake you. So the best thing that you can do to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning is call a CSI certified chimney technician out or a CSI certified dryer vent technician out to make sure that the venting systems for your furnaces or your boilers or your dryers are cleaned out. Carbon monoxide is also a byproduct of burning wood or any other material. So if you don't have proper ventilation or draft in your home, just by simply using a wood fireplace, you can also get CO into your home. So you would always want to have carbon monoxide detectors in your home. You would want one outside of the sleeping areas in the hallway, and then you would want one on each level of your home. Today, you can actually buy a combination carbon monoxide and smoke detector, and you'll get the best of both worlds. And they've even upgraded some recently to where they have an actual computer chip in them where they will alert your smartphone that you have a problem. That way, if you're away from home and maybe you have family there or you have pets left alone, if the carbon monoxide detector goes off, it will alert you via your phone. So those are really nice upgrades that have just come out in the last couple of years, and they're not terribly expensive.